Are you ready to discover the amazing power of nature's hidden gems? Today, we're diving deep into the world of beetroot and its incredible health benefits. But before we get started, let me share a fascinating story about this mighty plant. Did you know that beetroot has been cultivated for over 4,000 years? Yes, you heard that right. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Romans revered this plant not only for its vibrant colors but also for its medicinal properties. Fascinating, isn't it? Beetroot, also known as the garden beet, has been used throughout history for various purposes. Native Americans, for instance, used it as a natural dye for their clothing, while the Greeks and Romans used it for its aphrodisiac properties. But what we're here to explore today are the incredible health benefits of beetroot juice. Let me show you how easy it is to prepare this nutritious elixir right in your own kitchen. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 medium-sized beetroots, washed and peeled. 1 apple, cored and chopped. 1 small piece of ginger, peeled. 1 lemon, juiced. A pinch of salt, optional, to enhance the flavor. Once you have all the ingredients ready, it's time to fire up that juicer. If you don't have a juicer, don't worry. You can use a blender or a food processor and strain the mixture later for a smooth juice consistency. Now that we've discussed how beetroot is prepared, let's delve deeper into the health benefits of beetroot juice. Get ready to be amazed. Benefit 1. Boosting cardiovascular health. As we mentioned earlier, beetroot juice is a powerhouse when it comes to cardiovascular health. The nitrates present in beetroot juice are converted into nitric oxide in our bodies. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate our blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure. By incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine, you can support a healthy heart and enhance your overall circulation. Benefit 2. Enhancing athletic performance. If you're an active individual or an athlete, you'll love this benefit of beetroot juice. The nitrates in beetroot juice have been shown to increase oxygen delivery to the muscles. This means more energy and endurance during physical activities. Several studies have demonstrated that consuming beetroot juice before exercise can improve stamina, reduce fatigue, and enhance overall athletic performance. So, if you're looking for a natural energy boost, don't forget to add beetroot juice to your pre-workout routine. Benefit 3. Supporting brain health. Our brains are vital organs that require proper nourishment and protection. Beetroot juice contains a variety of compounds that can promote brain health. It is rich in antioxidants, such as betalains and anthocyanins, which help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, the nitrates in beetroot juice enhance blood flow to the brain, improving oxygen and nutrient supply. Regular consumption of beetroot juice has been associated with improved cognitive function and may even help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Benefit 4. Strengthening the immune system. A strong immune system is crucial for fighting off infections and staying healthy. Beetroot juice can be a valuable ally in boosting your immune system. It's loaded with immune-boosting nutrients, including vitamin C, which supports the production of white blood cells, the frontline warriors of your immune system. Additionally, beetroot juice contains minerals like iron, which are essential for optimal immune function. By incorporating beetroot juice into your diet, you can give your immune system a natural and nutritious boost. Benefit 5. Promoting healthy digestion. Good digestion is the foundation of overall well-being. Beetroot juice is a great addition to your diet if you're looking to support a healthy digestive system. It is packed with dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber in beetroot juice also acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. So, by sipping on beetroot juice, you're not only enjoying a delicious drink but also supporting the health of your digestive system. Benefit 6. Supporting detoxification. Detoxification is an essential process for eliminating toxins from our bodies. Beetroot juice can play a significant role in supporting this process. It contains compounds like betalains, which have been shown to support liver function and aid in detoxification. The antioxidants present in beetroot juice also help neutralize harmful free radicals that can accumulate in our bodies. By incorporating beetroot juice into your diet, you can give your body a natural boost in its detoxification processes. Benefit 7. Managing blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Beetroot juice has a low glycemic index, which means it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fiber content in beetroot juice slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, promoting better blood sugar control. However, if you have diabetes or any specific health condition, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes. Benefit 8. Supporting weight management. If you're on a weight management journey, beetroot juice can be a valuable addition to your diet. It is low in calories and packed with fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce cravings. The natural sweetness of beetroot juice can also satisfy your sweet tooth without resorting to high-calorie sugary snacks. By incorporating beetroot juice into a balanced diet, you can support your weight management goals while enjoying a nutritious and flavorful beverage. Benefit 9. Promoting healthy skin. Who doesn't want radiant and healthy-looking skin? Beetroot juice can contribute to achieving just that. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, such as vitamin C, which play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. These nutrients help protect the skin from oxidative stress and promote collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity and a youthful appearance. Regular consumption of beetroot juice can contribute to a healthy complexion and overall skin health. Benefit 10. Boosting energy and vitality. Feeling low on energy? Beetroot juice might just be the natural pick-me-up you need. Its unique combination of nitrates, vitamins, and minerals can help increase energy levels and combat fatigue. The nitrates in beetroot juice improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles, enhancing vitality and reducing feelings of tiredness. So, whether you need an energy boost to start your day or overcome that mid-afternoon slump, sip on some revitalizing beetroot juice. Benefit 11. Supporting eye health. Our eyes are precious, and beetroot juice can contribute to their health and well-being. It contains nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are essential for maintaining good vision and supporting eye health. These compounds help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. By incorporating beetroot juice into your diet, you're providing your eyes with the nourishment they need to stay healthy. Benefit 12. Strengthening the bones. Strong and healthy bones are vital for overall well-being, and beetroot juice can be a helpful ally in achieving that. It is a good source of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining bone health. These minerals work together to support bone density and strength. Regular consumption of beetroot juice, along with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle, can contribute to the overall health of your skeletal system. Benefit 13. Supporting liver health. Our liver plays a crucial role in detoxification and maintaining overall health. Beetroot juice contains compounds that can help support liver function and promote its health. The betalains present in beetroot juice have been shown to have protective properties for the liver, helping it eliminate toxins and reduce inflammation. By incorporating beetroot juice into your diet, you can give your liver a natural boost and support its important functions. Benefit 14. Improving erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a common condition that affects many men and can have a significant impact on their quality of life. While there are various causes for ED, including physical and psychological factors, research suggests that beetroot juice may offer some potential benefits in this area. One of the key factors contributing to erectile dysfunction is impaired blood flow to the penile region. Beetroot juice contains nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow. Several studies have explored the effects of beetroot juice on erectile function. For example, a study published in the journal Nutrients in 2020 found that consuming beetroot juice significantly improved erectile function scores in men. Benefit 15. Aiding in anemia prevention. Anemia is a condition characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin, leading to fatigue and weakness. Beetroot juice can be a valuable addition to the diet of individuals at risk of anemia. It is rich in iron, a vital mineral for the production of red blood cells. By consuming beetroot juice, you can help ensure an adequate iron intake and support the prevention of iron deficiency anemia. Wow! It's truly remarkable how this vibrant elixir can positively impact various aspects of our health and well-being. I hope you're as amazed by the power of beetroot juice as I am. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Cheers to your health! Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and transform well.